wash with soap naman. Pond's #1 face wash has salicylic acid and scrub beads in Pond's Acne Clear White Face Wash. Helps unclog pores to fight pimples.
Say yes to pimple-free, whiter skin.
Pond's.
Sandali na po ah. Kung ako masusunod, ang alikaw 15 ko, pwede nang i-extend. Nang i-extend. Nang i-extend. Ngayon sa TM, ang alikaw 50, extend all you can na. 5 pesos na per day. Ito pa, ang lahat ng TM promos, extend all you can din. May free FB pa. Kaya lipat na sa TM.
Hello. How are you?
If you want to be a cover girl,
How are
having
you?
bright
You
white
were?
teeth is an absolute must.
You were?
Colgate Optic White toothpaste has special
How are
whitening
you?
accelerators, so after just
Huh?
1 week, your teeth
Sige
will be
lang.
1 shade whiter.
Ito yung ito ngayon.
Colgate Optic White.